Hey guys, and welcome to episode 6 of Mugs with Megs. In today's episode, I'm going to be doing a little DIY. If you're hearing crazy sounds in the background, that's my dogs because today I'm coming to you live from my porta backyarda. Whoop, whoop. Today on Mugs with Megs, I wanted to feature a very special mug. This one right here, my little Minnie Mouse mug. It was given to me by one of my lovely students, Tanner, a few years back now, when he went on his trip to Disneyland, or was it Disney World? You know what? I can't remember, but oh, love him. What a lovely child, and his sister, Emily. Family, super amazing mom, Brenda. So thank you guys. Love my mug, and of course, coffee's in it. Duh. 1 second. Thank you. All right. So today on my DIY, what I wanted to do was, those patio chairs that everyone has, and they look so pretty and colorful, and they're everywhere. I don't even know what they're called. But anyways, I have 2 in my yard. One I've already done, so you're going to see it later. But the other one, I wanted to do together with you guys to kind of show you what it is that I'm going to do to it. So, it's going to be pretty simple. It's this bad boy right here. That's right. Super comfy, super dirty, needs a good wash, and a color. Because, well, I don't really want to wash it, and I don't want to keep it that color, and, this is a fun mug, so I want to make my chairs really fun too. So, first thing that I have to do to this chair is, I gotta spray it. Oh, well, that's not gonna work. Oh dear. Okay, well, I guess I have to turn on the water, don't I? Well, that's coming up. But, cool thing is, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it. Then, what I want to do is I want to Mr. Magic erase it and see how clean I can get it. Because, in order for the spray paint to adhere to it, you want to clean it first so that there isn't all sorts of chunks and particles and whatnot. But here's the exciting part. That's right, it's gotta be green. I'm not telling you what the other one, the color of the other one is, because I'm gonna keep it as a surprise at the end to show you guys both chairs. So the paint that I'm using here is a Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. Okay, it is a gloss metal green, and I got it at my friendly neighborhood Rona. It says it is fast drying, and true it is, because my other chair dried super quick. It's ideal for indoor and outdoor wood, metal, plastic, and more. So this is what I'll be using. And but first, let's get to spraying. Hey guys, okay, so I am ready. Okay, I'm ready. Let's get spraying. So as you can see, there's a lot of dirt that's coming off this chair. Now, keeping in mind that once it's sprayed, I am going to have to allow it to dry. And then what I might do is see if I can clean it out with Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Hey guys, alright, I've got my magic eraser and I'm ready to do some erasing. And of course the spray. Don't worry, jeez you guys, did you really think I was going to spray you? Maybe. Okay, let's get erasing. Hey guys, so we're back. Another day, unfortunately, because it did get a little bit too windy. So I'm now in my garage and we're going to spray and paint the chair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 coats. I'll probably just do 1 coat today and then I'll have to come back tomorrow and do the 2nd coat, possibly the 3rd. So the first coat, what you want to do is you want to lightly mist it, but make sure that it's even, if that makes sense. So what you want to do is shake this can, and I've already done that because, I mean, I don't want to be shaking it on the video forever. So, you don't want to shake it this way or like this. You want to shake it up and down like this, vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes until you can really hear the ball inside moving around quite a bit. That means it's not really stuck in between the paint and the paint has mixed well. Okay, so... all right, there's no wind in here, so we're good to go. Okay, let's do it. Looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. All right. I'm going to leave it at that for now. So tomorrow I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the 2nd coat. But for now, thanks for watching and see you in a few seconds, aka tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. So, coat 1, not bad. It is daylight. I'm still in my garage because it's sprinkling a bit of rain. So I'm gonna continue spraying my garage. Hopefully this is the last coat. As you can tell, there is more daylight coming in, so you can see the color a little bit better. It's okay. Once I think I have the 2nd coat on, it's gonna look wicked. Okay, so just bear with me. I shook this a little bit here. It's the can is almost out, so it'll take a little bit. All right, so ready? Let's do this. Can number 2, off we go. Hey guys, so I'm here finally. I waited a whole 12 hours, a little bit longer. Hi Vinny. And to show you guys the reveal. Now, keep in mind, these were old chairs. I don't know how long they've been here. And I simply just wanted to give them a little refresher and make them look prettier so that they don't look old. Anywho, by any means are they perfect, but they are a million times better than what they were, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So here is the green one. Ready? So you can't really tell in here from the light. There are some minor paint drips, but honestly it looks really good and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so as promised, I have the 2nd one for the reveal. What color do you think it is? Take a guess. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. How cute are these together? I love them. Now, I had so much fun doing these that I'm actually looking for 2 more because I'm thinking I want to add an orange and a yellow one. What do you guys think? Should I? Shouldn't I? All right. Well, that's it. That's all. I hope you enjoyed my little DIY and stay tuned for the next one. It's coming up. Cheers.